Today in my video, I am going to talk that the environment, there are many resources for us, for we human beings in this earth. But we are not using those resources carefully and correctly. We are making many mistakes while using those resources. So come guys, let's go inside this video and know about some mistakes we are doing with the resources which the nature have given us and what we should do to protect our nature. Come guys, let's go inside this video, and for knowing all about this, don't skip this video and see this video till end guys. The nature have given us many resources like gold or petroleum, many resources, water, enough oxygen for living, nitrogen, agriculture, water, fertile soil, land, everything the nature have given us. But we are not using that correctly. If the nature is giving more fossil fuels and more petroleum for us, but what we are doing with the help of that petroleum itself, with if that petroleum is used in the vehicles, the carbon dioxide is emitted outside, and we are damaging that same nature itself. So the nature is the thing which gave us that, and with that itself we are damaging the nature. So we must not do that. Actually, the man did not live with the same sophistication and technology before even 50 or 100 years ago. And when you think of the time of at 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 years ago, the man lived just moving. He was always nomadic life, and he was always moving, and he hunted the animals, took berries and ate. And after some time, some inventions like wheel, then fire, those came, and man settled in the place and did agriculture and many technologies, and today we are in this great sophistication and the world of technologies and traveling. In such case, there is more pollution we are doing, and not only this, we are not using the resources given by the nature correctly. So the nature have given us more petroleum under the seas, and also more natural gas under the seas and under the land. In the sake of taking petroleum and natural gas from under the oceans and seas, what we are doing, we are making many spills in the oceans, and when these spills are happening while taking this petroleum and natural gas, the fishes and marine animals like coral reefs and many fishes and sharks are dying because of the spill of petroleum. And when this petrol and some gases are laying on the seas, the sunlight cannot enter inside, and many marine animals are dying. So we must do everything correctly, and we must not make any mistake that can have a great impact on other animals. And also we humans, if all fishes are dying, the fishermen who are fishing will not get fishes, and that will be a problem for the fishermen also. And the nature have given us more rivers, and in the rivers, in many rivers, large rivers and even small streams, there are many gold deposits, and small gold deposits are there. In the rivers, in the sake of taking gold from the river, we are polluting the river very much. So if we are polluting the river, there also the fishes will die, and it will be not suitable for drinking, and the animals which is drinking that water will die. And if the trees are getting if the trees are getting that water, the trees will also decay. So we must not do that. And the river is there, in the largest forest in the earth, that is Amazon forest, is even there because of the world's one of the largest river, that is Amazon river. Because of that river only this forest is there. So river is present for giving drinking water for animals and human beings, and for the trees which are in the forest, and for the drinking purpose for we human beings, and also for agriculture also, which is done in many places. And it is even the agriculture is done by cutting the trees, and it is very wrong. And this the rivers are for this sake only. But what we human beings are doing, there are many industries, many chemical industries, and also we are using fertilizers for crops. When this happens, when these fertilizers are used, and when the chemicals and waste of the industries are mixed with the river water, then the river is highly polluted, and there are many gases produced in the river, and many algae are forming in the river, so that there are many damages for the fishes. And also if the all the rivers are mixing with the seas, so that time seas will also become polluted. So we must not do that. That is, and also not only the industries, the human beings also are doing more, mainly in the rural areas. Actually in the cities there is more pollution than in the rural areas, and many people are washing the clothes or washing the animals. It is bad. We need water for washing the clothes and washing ourselves, but it is bad for mixing the same water in the river, which should be very clean. So if we are washing the clothes or we are washing the animals, there will be many dirtiness in the water, and that water must be discharged in a very safe place for we human beings also, and for other animals also. And also there are many places for taking granite, and there are many quarries for taking many minerals which are needed: magnesium, iron, copper, many things are there. And also for if the copper is produced, we are making many copper items, and if iron is produced, we are making iron items, and iron is produced means we are making many iron items. And if that, and because of that iron items, we are making many products. So when we are doing those products, the when we are using the sulfur and very many harmful gases for melting that minerals and those stones. And if we are doing those things, then we are polluting the water by discharging that same sulfur inside, and some sulfur is mixed into the air. And when that is happen, there will be a more, and when the sulfur and harmful gases are going, and if it is going in the air, and if the content in the air is increased sulfur, then if it is going to the clouds, and if it mixes with the water vapor there, then what will happen means this sulfur and some of the harmful gases will mix with the water vapor and water which is present in the clouds. And then when the rain is coming, the acid rain will come, and the whole rain will become useless, and many people will die, crops will die, animals will also die. So we must not do this, and these things are done by these all things are given by the nature, and with the same things which are given by the nature, we are polluting the same nature. We are not respecting the environment and the earth. So we must not do that, and we must always respect the nature and environment, and we must not do any bad things for this environment. So if we are doing the bad things for environment, we will suffer in the future, and this earth was to be completely, and in this earth human can't live that situation where will be there in 50 years or 60 years, that the many scientists told that. But because of this coronavirus, many industries were closed. Because of that, this world human life have extended some more years in this earth, but it is just less. we must live in this earth for thousands of years after today also. So guys, I request you all, don't pollute this earth, and try to, and don't pollute this earth, and try to respect the nature and environment. So thank you for seeing this video guys, and I believe you like my video. If you like this video, click the like button, share this video, and for more videos subscribe my channel guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.